Man, what's up YouTube, man? It's your boy Samson God coming back with another video. 2K19. I'm finally getting my hands on Prelude. I don't know what to create this year. I might create a point forward or a small forward. It has to be a shot creator though. Let me see. I don't know. I really don't. My bad, y'all. I'm going to say point guard or small forward. I said point. No, because I want heights on these dudes. I want to have height. I might get point forward. Point forward. I don't know. I don't know what I should get, y'all. Pure shot creating. Teardropper mid range. If I do that, though, I'm gonna have to be a small forward. I don't know, y'all. I'm just tripping right now. I'm just overthinking right now. I'm gonna hold y'all. I'm overthinking. Wait, I'm doing way too much overthinking right now. Let me see. Alright, so shot creating. Mid range, 3-point. Mid range is the same. Almost max. I'll just make up here. What's my looks on this? I mean, shooting is not even that high. My dribbling, 16. Don't I? Where's the ankle breaker? I don't get ankle breaker. Oh yeah, I only get a silver. Nah, shorty, I'm trying to get gold ankle breakers out here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to go with this build. Trying to get this build right here, point guard, shot creator, pure shot creator. Probably in the future I get to make a stretch. Pure shot creator is what it look like, y'all. So I'm gonna continue this. Continue. Pressed it. Now I gotta do my height. I'm gonna do 6'3", cause I did 6'3" last year. I mean, not last year. In 17. No, I'm gonna be 6. That would be tough if I made max height. Standing dunk. That's 6'4", y'all. Nah, I'm gonna go 6'3". I'll wait. Actually, I'm gonna go back and make him 6'5", bro. I'm gonna go back and go 6'5". Ball control. That's 6'4". I'm gonna make him a little bit lower and wait. If I should max it out or what. Let me see. 82. Yeah, I'm gonna be regular. And I'm done. Whew. build, y'all. Hopefully y'all like this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and see y'all in the next video.
RD, beam up, bench with the roof up. Still on this scoop punch, 3 round, boot blunt, hot spot. Called y'all some hoes, trolling in the squad. Might just go icy my wrist.